thirsty. I'm going to Walmart.
Wow, look at the nice toys. But there's no beer here. Oh, I mean root beer. So I gotta find some beer. All right, thunder, diet or regular? The regular one.
I already opened it. Time to get drunk. Do that one first. Damn it. Oh. I feel so drunk. I need to go do something. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Ah! Boing. Oh no. Boing, 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 boing. I believe I can fly. Oh, I feel so strange. Boing, boing. I feel so weird.
What did I drink? I'm gonna see what I drank.
I only drank root beer? Huh. Must have something in it. Oh, I think I might accidentally drink one too many. Oh, I got puke. That was great. Man. I'll be okay if I drink one more.